name is Marina Marinski and I am the owner of a Croatian brand named Marinksi Heartmades. My brand is specialized in making ceramics for everyday use. The Marinski story started 10 years ago. Through all these years I have been working with different materials such as wood, plastic and clay. 4 years ago I have gotten a chance to work in a renowned potter studio, and since then I can imagine myself making ceramics every day and all day. I love everything about clay. It's never-ending learning process. During my college years, I was working part-time for other companies. Working for them, not for myself, was not inspiring, satisfying or creative. I can see I have made a good decision. I'm doing what I love. I don't have a mentor or a role model. I had my own vision and I went for it, but it became real with the help of my family. The hardest part of being a successful entrepreneur is dealing with different business roles. If you want to be successful, you need to learn and develop your business skills. That means you need to learn how to communicate, how to promote your work, how to keep your old customers, how to reach new customers. The most rewarding opportunity for me and my business was watching other people's reaction to my work. I want to learn more and develop more just for them. And also I got the opportunity to run such an amazing studio, and I think that's the biggest reward for me. My business is still in the process of developing and I'm still having fun doing it. It's the type of business that you get to learn, develop and change every day. My advice for aspiring entrepreneurs would be follow your dream, follow your heart, dare to try and don't let the fear come near, because the fear is the biggest problem. And have in mind, having your own business is never easy, but at the end of the day, it's worth it.